Hey everyone, check out Steve Spangler's large plastic test tubes with caps designed perfectly for kids' science fun. These durable test tubes are made from thick, clear plastic originally used for 2-liter soda bottles, making them super sturdy and ideal for classroom or professional experiments. Unlike glass, these reusable tubes can be dropped, stepped on, or even safely cleaned in the dishwasher without breaking. Each tube features a leak-proof design compatible with any soda bottle cap, so you can shake and mix your experiments without worry. Plus, the pack comes with an activity guide offering over 10 exciting project ideas to inspire young scientists. Whether it's for school or home, these test tubes bring creativity and safety together perfectly. Get ready to ignite curiosity and make science exciting with Steve Spangler's baby soda bottle test tubes. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.